Okay, so we're going to go through median and mode. So the median of a list of values is the value appearing at the center of a sorted version of the list, or the mean of the two central values if the list contains an even number of values. The mode is the number of numbers that occurs the most often. So very first thing whenever you get any set of data, so this is our set of data over here, is that we're going to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we're going to do 11, and as I use them, I like to mark them out. 13, 13, 16, just kidding, 14, then 16, and then 16, and our greatest number is going to be 22. And for whatever reason, it's not letting me put a 22, so I'm going to put it down here. I guess I've gone off the screen. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite those up here. That way it makes it a little bit easier. So let me change the color. All right, so we have 11, 13, 13, 14, 16, 16, and 22. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And over here in the table, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So by counting them, I make sure that I don't forget any. All right, so now it wants us to find the mean. So remember, whenever we find the mean, we have to take all of these numbers in the data set and we're going to add them together. And then we're going to divide by the number of data pieces there are. So remember, there were 7 numbers in this box, so we're going to divide by 7. So we do 22 plus 13 plus 11 plus 16 plus 14 plus 13 plus 16. That gives us 105. We're going to divide that by 7. 105 divided by 7 is 15. So the mean of this data is 15. Now we have to figure out, what is our median? What is the number in the middle? So let me go ahead and find myself a little highlighter here. And I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I'm going to mark out the pieces from the outside in. So we have out, 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 out. So the number in the middle is 14. So that's our median. If there were 2 numbers in the middle, we would add those 2 numbers together and divide by 2, and then that would give us our median. All right, and now let's look at the mode. We can go back to this set of data over here. The mode is the number that we see the most often. So I see 1 11, 2 13s, a 14, 2 16s, and a 22. So the mode is the number that's there the most. You can have more than one mode, you can have no mode, or you can have exactly one mode. In this case, there is the same number of 13s as there are 16s. So our mode is 13 and 16. So the mean is 15, the median is 14, and then the 2 modes are 13 and 16.